Now to treat this, to kill the rest of the moss and prevent more from growing, I'm going to use the moss out. You can use whatever you want. Just make sure you read the warning labels and all the instructions of how to do this. For instance, this one is formulated specifically for roofs, sidewalks, brick, things like that. It is not for a lawn. It warns about getting it on plants, flower beds, that kind of thing. So you don't want to take this and spread it all over your lawn. It is specifically for the roof. Read all the instructions. That's why I'm using the granular. I'm not gonna mix it with water because I don't want the overspray to go all over the place and potentially kill my fruit trees or any of my lawn. So, and I think it'd be easier to control by just kind of putting the granular on there. So let's do it. Carefully shake this out. I'm gonna apply plenty at the ridge. That way, when it rains, it'll bring kind of this all over the roof. It's really not gonna stick on the front part of the roof because that's pretty steep, but if water gets to it, should be good. In order to put this on, I'm not sure exactly how much because on the front of it, it says covers up to 6,000 square feet. And then on the back, it says to apply for 1,200 square feet, apply 6 pounds. This whole container is 6 pounds, so I don't know. This is a pretty small shed, so I should be able to get a couple applications. I'm just gonna load it up. Okay, I think I covered it pretty good, and I'm hoping when the rain comes, it'll take care of the sides of the roof, the steep part, and kill that moss too. But we're gonna wait probably about a week and see what happens. So I waited about a week, and after thinking about it, I figured this pitch right here, this roof pitch, was a little steep. So I ended up mixing up some of the granulars with water and actually spraying it. I figured that would give it more coverage, better coverage. And it's been 2 weeks now, and it is starting to show signs of this stuff dying. This is coming off way easier. And you know, there's still a lot of stuff that's stuck here, but on the container it says it could take up to 3 to 5 weeks. So you just gotta be patient, I guess. But you can see even down here that because of the runoff, this stuff is actually dying. So I'll wait a couple weeks and then I will soft wash this with some outdoor cleaner, spray the roof, spray the sides. Obviously the doors and everything are a mess, and clean it right up. And then I'll apply that stuff probably twice a year just to make sure that the moss doesn't grow back, no new moss grows, and I don't have any roof issues, hopefully. And if you had to do something similar to this, I hope the video helped you out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.